Taking a careful step, not to fall from the floating cobblestones, you hear a soft airy sound, like someone's playing a wood pipe along the warm breeze. Upon closer inspection, you realize that it's coming from the center of the emporium. Could it be? Is it the tree that's making music? It certainly seems so. As you approach it, the sound becomes more clear. Your eyes drift toward the inside of the canopy, and it feels like the soft notes are becoming louder. You notice a branch extending your way, twisting itself into a pair of hollow pipes, forming a woodwind. It snaps off, falling in the soft grass before your feet. Picking it up, you can almost hear its magic calling for you. A soft gale strokes the instrument, and as the soothing sound reaches your ears, this feeling of calmness envelops you, bringing you focus that you never experienced before. You feel ready and eager for another adventure. Hi everyone, I hope you enjoyed this little intro. Before we continue, I'll just remind you to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, make sure to turn on all notifications by clicking that bell icon next to the subscribe button. It will help this channel grow and make it more visible. If you just did that, you rock. Big time. Seriously, I mean it. I had some sudden recent changes in my life that allowed me to move to Greece for the summer to change my surroundings a little bit. Nothing bad, everything is okay. I just realized that I could take a longer vacation, and that is one of the reasons I've been idle for a while. The other one was having more than usual regular work, but enough of that. You're here for the real stuff. This is the Nowhere Flute, another one of the bard-centered setting-specific items from my upcoming D&D and Pathfinder supplement, the Nowhere Emporium. I just had a talk about it with one of my Instagram friends and have been asked when will the Kickstarter be live. The only answer I could give was when I'm done with illustrations. I want to give you an immersive piece of work that you can thoroughly enjoy in full color. My hopes go for the end of 2021, but I can't really give myself a deadline due to, well, life being life really. I just try to do as much as I can without stressing myself too much and spreading myself too thin. When it comes to this particular illustration, the concept is the same as with the previous setting-specific items, the style of a twisted tree. I started with a physical sketch, then I made a rough outline in Photoshop, filled it up with neutral gray and started coloring using clipping masks and a brush at about 30% opacity and flow. Slapped a tree trunk photo texture on top and finished it off with an off-white bluish rim light. If you're interested in a more in-depth explanation about the process itself, you can take a look at my previous videos, so make sure to check the card in the upper right corner to do so. This time I'm gonna focus on the holes. Yes, you heard me right, the holes. If there is one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's what I'm about to tell you right now. If there are repeating elements in your digital illustration, such as the holes on this flute, you need to make only one and copy the heck out of it wherever it fits. Rivets, grills, exhaust pipes, windows, whatever really. You can easily get away with any of it. Got it? Good. I need to ask you one thing, and that is to help me grow this channel more. So share this video with your friends who might be interested in this type of content and let me know in the comments what would you like to see more of. Is it the animations? Is it digital illustration? Is it photo manipulation? Or perhaps a sketchbook tour, a Q&A, maybe some gaming advice, I don't know. And if you haven't already, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. On a lighter note, if you feel like enhancing your D&D or Pathfinder game with some freebie supplements, make sure to visit my website craftytabletop.com, go to the download section and get your free digital copy of the critical chart and the fumble table. If you want to interact with me personally, feel free to hit me up on my Instagram, Facebook or Twitter. My handle is the same on all of them at Crafty Tabletop. And that's it for today. This is Crafty, and I bid you farewell.